Hello everyone, this is Tim again from Kia Country in Charleston. Today, pick of the week is a 2011 spectacular Chevy Avalanche. Features a 5.3 liter V8, basically is running very solid. Tires are excellent on this car, oversized, 4-door, seating capacity of 6, with an enclosed truck bed and additional storage in the bays. Why don't we take a look at the inside of this car? This has a remarkably well-maintained full leather interior, black. It comes with Bluetooth, remarkable for this year of vehicle. Classic Chevy dashboard. Everything's very self-apparent. It's radio, air conditioning. All of the dials are basically very simple to use. This has adjustable pedals on the floor. It also has a brake assist for if you're trailering anything with the car. Thanks again for watching us. Please visit us at KiaCountryofCharleston.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe to us. And thank you very much for watching.